Picture this, you are at home hungry. You open your app, tap a few buttons, and 30 to 40 minutes later, there is a knock at your door. There is a knock at your door. A delivery rider stands there, helmet on, insulated bag in hand. Maybe a little sweaty from dodging traffic. They hand you your order. Quick smile. Head back out into the chaos. This is how billions of people around the world receive their food right now in 2026. A real human being on a motorcycle, scooter, or bicycle battling traffic, rain, confusing building entrances, and flights of stairs, all just to reach you. It feels completely normal, because it is completely normal. But this entire human-powered system, every rider, every motorcycle, every staircase climb, is on the verge of a massive transformation. Not in 50 years. It is already happening right now in cities around the world. In this video, we are going to break down exactly how your food delivery works today, every algorithm, every technical step, every invisible decision, and then look ahead to a future where drones take over most of it. No traffic jams, no stairs, no waiting in the rain. Just your food dropping from the sky in minutes. Let us dive in. Part 1, how delivery actually works today. The second you hit that order button, something extraordinary fires off behind the scenes. Your complete order details, every item, your exact GPS coordinates, encrypted payment information, delivery notes, get instantly encrypted and transmitted to cloud servers handling millions of simultaneous orders every single minute. 4 things happen at exactly the same time. First, the restaurant gets your digital ticket instantly. Every item, exact preparation time, and a precise pickup window calculated backwards from your expected delivery slot. Miss that window and the algorithm flags it. Second, payment processes in under 2 seconds. AI-powered fraud detection simultaneously scans your device fingerprint, your GPS location, your order history, and hundreds of additional signals approving or flagging in real time before a single penny moves. Third, and this is the genuinely fascinating part, rider matching begins. The platform dispatch algorithm does not simply find the nearest available rider. It solves a complex multivariable optimization problem in under 3 seconds, simultaneously weighing every available rider's current location, their direction of travel, live traffic conditions on their route, current weather impact on travel speed, their rating and completion history, their vehicle type, the restaurant preparation time, and dozens of additional real-time variables. All calculated together to find not just the nearest rider, but the single best rider for your specific order at this exact moment. The rider gets pinged. They follow a custom-optimized route, not standard navigation, but a proprietary delivery algorithm accounting for parking difficulty, road restrictions, signal timing, and the fastest realistic path for their specific vehicle. Their GPS location transmits back to the server every 3 to 5 seconds. Those raw coordinates get processed through a mathematical technique called Kalman filtering, removing the natural noise and inaccuracy of raw GPS data, producing the smooth, clean moving dot you see on your tracking screen. Your estimated arrival time is not a simple distance calculation. It is a machine learning prediction model trained on tens of millions of historical deliveries, continuously adjusting in real time based on live traffic, current weather, restaurant preparation variants, and that specific rider's historical performance on similar routes. When the rider gets within 50 to 100 meters of your address, geofencing technology, invisible digital boundary around your location, triggers your arrival notification automatically. They park, climb the stairs, knock at your door, and hand you your food. Incredible technology. But it has hard limits. And those limits are exactly why everything is about to change. Part 2. Why the human delivery system has limits. Let us be completely honest about the current system. Depending on human beings navigating unpredictable physical streets creates problems that no algorithm can fully solve. Traffic is the biggest enemy. Riders in busy cities can spend more time sitting completely still in congestion than actually moving. Your food gets cold. Your estimated arrival time becomes meaningless. The platform can watch the GPS sitting motionless on a jammed road and do absolutely nothing about it. Weather makes everything dramatically worse. Heavy rain slows riders significantly, spikes cancellation rates, makes roads dangerous, and forces some riders off the road entirely. On bad weather days, delivery times can double or triple. Finding you is harder than it sounds. Gated communities, buildings with multiple entrances, unclear address systems, elevators requiring access cards, unmarked apartment doors. Every extra minute a rider spends searching for your exact location is another minute your food sits getting cold. Human fatigue is real and unavoidable. A rider deep into a long shift makes more navigational errors, takes wrong turns, and delivers more slowly than at the start of their day. No algorithm can eliminate this. And the peak demand problem is structural. During lunch rush, dinner time, or rainy evenings, orders explode, but the number of available riders does not scale with demand. Wait times balloon, cancellation rates spike. And the entire system struggles under pressure it simply cannot handle with human riders alone. These are not software bugs that engineers can fix with a better app update. They are structural limitations built into the fundamental concept of human beings navigating unpredictable physical streets. The solution does not travel on those streets at all. It flies above them. Part 3, the drone era, is already here. This is not science fiction anymore. It is live in 2026. Companies including Wing from Alphabet and Google, Zipline, Amazon Prime, Air, and DoorDash are already operating real commercial drone delivery networks, serving real customers right now. Walmart and Wing just announced the largest drone delivery expansion in history, adding 150 more store locations in 2026, targeting 270-plus locations by 2027. With coverage reaching over 40 million people across multiple states, DoorDash is running active drone pilots with Wendy's and Chipotle delivering restaurant food in under 30 minutes. Frequently much faster by flying directly over all ground traffic. The global drone package delivery market is projected to reach $20 to $30 billion by 2030 to 2034, with food and retail leading that growth. Here is exactly how the drone delivery system works right now and how it will scale. The moment you place your order, the algorithm assigns a drone, not a rider. Drones wait at compact automated fulfillment hubs, positioned 3 to 10 kilometers from most residential addresses across the service area. While the restaurant prepares your food, the assigned drone completes automated pre-flight checks, battery level, motor function, sensor calibration, payload bay integrity, finished in minutes automatically. Your packaged meal transfers via short automated conveyor to the fulfillment hub. The drone payload bay opens package loads automatically. Drone lifts off. It climbs to its designated flight corridor between 50 and 120 meters altitude and flies in a completely straight line directly toward your address. No roads, no traffic lights, no congestion, no searching for. It travels at 80 to 100 kilometers per hour. A delivery that takes a ground rider 35 minutes through city traffic takes the drone 8 to 15 minutes. Every single time, moderate rain. Drones are engineered to operate in winds up to 50 kilometers per hour and moderate precipitation. They do not slow down like riders. They do not cancel. As the drone approaches your location, precision GPS combined with computer vision guides it to a designated rooftop landing pad, a backyard drop zone, or a smart delivery box, temperature controlled, locked until you unlock it through your app. Package drops. Drone ascends and returns to the fulfillment hub, the algorithm already signing its next delivery while it is still in the air returning. By 2030 to 2035, full beyond visual line-of-sight regulations already advancing rapidly across the United States. Europe and parts of Asia will enable complete citywide drone networks. Fulfillment hubs every few kilometers. Standard delivery times dropping to 10 to 20 minutes across entire cities? Not exceptional. Standard. Part 4, what comes after drones? But drones are just the beginning of where this is going. By 2040, AI systems will optimize entire city drone networks simultaneously, whether routing, predictive maintenance, real-time demand forecasting, airspace management, thousands of drones coordinated as a single intelligence system with zero human involvement in individual deliveries. By 2050, predictive delivery transforms not just how your order arrives, but when it is placed. With your explicit consent, AI systems will analyze your behavioral patterns, your dietary habits, your daily schedule, your health metrics from wearables, your calendar and stress indicators. They will predict with remarkable accuracy what you want to eat and exactly when, before you consciously decide. So, the drone lifts off before you open any app. Your meal arrives precisely when hunger hits ordered, prepared, and delivered automatically. By 2060 to 2080, micromolecular fabrication units' advanced three-dimensional food construction systems will be integrated directly into fulfillment hubs near your home. Your meal will be constructed fresh on demand from precise nutritional components at the hub itself, loaded directly onto a drone and in the air within minutes. No distant kitchen, no preparation wait, no temperature loss on a long journey, perfect freshness, perfect nutritional customization. Beyond that, delivery continues evolving into something we can only begin to imagine today. Continuous, invisible, automated nutrition systems operating at scales and speeds no current technology can match. But that future is still being written. And so, we come full circle. We began with that familiar knock at your door, a rider standing their helmet on, slightly out of breath, having navigated everything the city threw at them just to reach you. That rider represents something genuinely remarkable, a human being working hard, using extraordinary invisible technology to deliver on a promise you made when you tapped that button. But the future will serve you faster, more reliably, in conditions no human being should have to work through. Today, in 2026, your rider matched by AI in 3 seconds, tracked by Kalman filtered GPS, guided by optimized proprietary routing, arriving at your door after battling everything the city throws at them, and right now, drones already delivering to 40 million people with 8 to 15-minute flight times. If this got you thinking about your next order, leave a like, share this with someone who lives on deliveries, and subscribe for more deep dives into the technology transforming everyday life around us. Next time you hear that knock at your door, appreciate it. It will not always be there.